In the Gram Kachahari of Arma under Surajgarh block of Lakhisarai district, a complaint filed by a plaintiff Dharamveer Arya with case number 08/22 on dated 5th April 2022. The plaintiff filed the case against Sunil Kumar and others as opponents regarding land dispute among them. Sunil Kumar and others are cousin brothers of Dharamveer Arya in relation. According to application of Dharamveer, the Gram Kachahari issued notice to all brothers and sisters of Dharamveer. The Gram Kachahari fixed a date after taken acceptance from Dharamveer Arya. On 12th April 2022, date of first hearing fixed for the case. In the presence of Sarpanch, Kachahari Sachiv and Naya Mitra, hearing of the case started. Total 10 punches, in which 4 male and 6 female. Beside this, 8 villagers were present on the hearing day. The bench of Gram Kachahari released a notice to opponent to present in the Kachahari in next hearing date. Beside this, instructed to applicant Dharamveer to share detail of earned total property by their ancestor and other important relevant documents. Naya Mitra also observed the genealogical tree which was shared by the applicant.
यही देखना इसी से हाँ इसी से सारा इसका नाम ब्रैकेट.
As Kachahari Sachiv, Mr. Pinku Sharma documented all points discussed during the hearing in Form 1. Naya Mitra suggested and helped in writing this.
फिर विष्णु इनका नाम ये, इनका नाम ब्रैकेट में ये, इनका नाम ब्रैकेट में का जन्म। हाँ
Ruby Kumari as Sarpanch and all present punches have signed all discussion points mentioned in the Form 1. After this session of the hearing closed with this.